Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for animal husbandry business. So I am an owner of an animal husbandry business, that is Livestock Junction, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And I want that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards that lead a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For doing that, we need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. In Pabbly Connect, to start an automation process, we need triggers and actions. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. I am creating a message template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can use Vati or Interact. To learn this automation process, let me just take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook lead ads. So I am an owner of an animal husbandry business, that is Livestock Junction, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I am getting a lot of leads in my business, and I want that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be forwarded towards that lead. That means every time any of my customers generates a new lead, automatically to that customer a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, we need to create an automation with the help of Pabbly. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. After opening this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly account. After that, you can see all apps window in which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Now on my screen, you can see the Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to start our automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, we need to select this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Click on it. A new dialog box will then appear in front of you, which is asking to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Livestock Junction Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. After that, it is asking for me to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders right over here. So I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. If you want, you can create your own folder and you can save your workflow in this specific folder. After that, I'm going to click over here and I want to save this workflow in Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. So after selecting the folder and giving the name to our workflow, I'm going to click on Create to create our workflow. Now, as you can see, we have created a workflow in the name of Livestock Junction Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our automation process depends on these 2 steps. Here trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means actions is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger steps whereas various action steps. So now what we are going to do is we are going to set up our trigger step. For that, I'm going to click on this arrow right over here. Then it is asking for me to choose an application. So as in the introduction, I've already told you that a trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select it. After selecting our trigger application, we need to select our trigger event, and our trigger event is going to be new lead instant. This means that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on Connect to connect our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect account. For that, we have to click over here. As you can see, a new window will appear in front of you in which we are going to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see, we have successfully authorized our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Next, you can see it is asking for the page. So in my Facebook account, I have created my business page in the name of Livestock Junction in which I'm going to promote my Facebook leads. So what I'm going to do is I will go back to Pabbly and I'm going to select my page as Livestock Junction. After selecting the page, I have to select the lead gen form, and I have created a lead gen form in the name of Animal Husbandry. So this is the lead ads form that I've created. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to select Animal Husbandry as the lead gen form. If you want to learn how to create your own lead ads form, then you can check out our YouTube channel. After selecting a lead gen form and the page, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Then you can see right over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a test lead. For that I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool. So this is my lead ads testing tool. If you want to learn how to have the access of this page, you can check out our YouTube channel. After opening our lead ads testing tool, it is asking for me to select a page. So I'm going to select my page as Livestock Junction and the form as Animal Husbandry. So after selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on preview form. So as you can see, this is the form that I've created. So now it is asking for me to fill the details for the full name, email and the phone number. So firstly, for the full name, I'm going to write it as dummy user. After writing the name, it is asking for me to write an email. So I'm going to write the email address as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. And lastly, for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy phone number. After filling all the details of this form, I'm going to click on next and then on submit. As you can see, it says your test lead has been sent. So I'm going to go back to my Pabbly account and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. For that, I'm going to go back to my Pabbly account, and yes, as you can see over here, a response is captured by Pabbly Connect from the lead that we have generated. So for the full name, it says dummy user. For the email, it says dummyuser@pabblytudes.com and a dummy mobile number. That means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to set up our action step. For setting up our action step, I'm going to click on this arrow right over here, and now it is asking for me to choose my action application. And in the introduction, as I've already told you, that our action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select this. And after choosing our action application, next it is asking for us to choose our action event. And our action event is going to be send template message. So I've selected this action event because I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. As you can see, it is right over here. And if you want to learn how to create your own template, then you can check out our YouTube channel. So I've created this message template right over here, as you can see. And I want that anytime a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically this WhatsApp message right over here should be forwarded to the new lead. So for that, we have selected our action event as send template message. After selecting our action application and the action event, we are going to click on connect. Now you can see a new window in front of you. We have to click on add new connection. So now after selecting add new connection, you can see it is asking for all these details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly go to the API setup that I have. If you want to learn how to set up the WhatsApp Cloud API, for that you have to click right over here, and you can see the video references. It says as how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. You can watch this video and you can learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API. So now I'm going to go back and it is asking for the token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly go to my API setup, that is right over here. And as it is firstly asking for the token, so I'm going to copy this from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After pasting this token, it is asking for me for the phone number ID. So I'm going to go back, and as you can see right over here, it says phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it right over here. And lastly, for the WhatsApp business account ID, I'm going to copy this. As you can see, it is asking for the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to paste it right over here. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save. So next it is asking for the template name. So I have created a template in the name of Livestock Junction. So I'm going to go back to my Pabbly and select my template as Livestock Junction. After that, it is asking for the language code and the selected template ID. So these two information right over here is automatically been selected after you select your template name. So you do not need to do anything with these steps. So you do not need to further do anything with this step. So next it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data from my previous trigger step. That means every time a new response is captured in my trigger steps, automatically the response will be updated in my action step. For that, what we are going to do is we have to click over here, and as you can see, it says Facebook lead ads new lead instance. So this is the previous trigger step. So I'm going to click on this arrow right over here, and as it is asking for the recipient's mobile numbers, I'm going to select this mobile number right over here. So I have mapped this data, and this data is now become dynamic. That means every time any new response is captured in our trigger step, this data right over here will be updated according to the new response. After recipient's mobile number, it is asking for the body field 1. So as you can see, this is the template that I have created, and in this template I have also created a variable, as you can see right over here. So I want that every time any of my customers generates a new lead, the name of that customer should be automatically mentioned over here in the place of this variable. For that, I'm going to again map the data from my trigger steps. So what I'm going to click right over here, click on this arrow right over here, and as I want the name of my customer, so I'm going to map the data for the name of my customer. So I have mapped the data for both of these fields. So now anytime a new response is captured in my trigger step, automatically the data right over here will be updated. So now after filling all the details that Pabbly Connect was asking for, I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as you can see, it says response is received. So I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp, and I'm going to check whether a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. So I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp, and as you can see right over here, a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number as hello dummy user, thank you for taking out your time and welcome to our Livestock Junction family. One of the employee of our company is soon going to contact you, and you can discuss any of your queries. Thanks and regards, Livestock Junction. So this is the template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, and now it is forwarded on the number which was mentioned in the lead that was generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. So that means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit another test lead, and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded or not. For that, we have to open our lead ads testing tool. So as you can see, this is the lead ads testing tool, and as it says over here, you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So as you can see, a lead has been created with the help of this form already. So I'm going to delete this existing lead. For that, I have to click on delete lead. As it says, your lead has been deleted. After that, we have to refresh the page. So as you can see, I've refreshed the page, and remember, it is really important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because you can create only one lead per form, and if you don't delete the existing lead, you will not be able to submit another response. So now after deleting the lead and refreshing the page, it is asking for me to choose the page. So my page is in the name of Livestock Junction and the form as Animal Husbandry. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on preview form. So as you can see on the screen, this is the form that I've created. Now I'm going to fill all the details right over here. So as you can see, I've already filled all the details that this form was asking for. For the full name, I've written it as test account. For the email, as testaccount@pabblytunes.com. And lastly, for the phone number, a dummy mobile number. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on next and then on submit. As you can see, it says the test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp, and I'm going to check whether a new message is forwarded to me or not. For that, I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp. And yes, as you can see, a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number as hello test account. Thank you for taking out your time and welcome to our Livestock Junction family. One of the employee of our company is soon going to contact you, and you can discuss any of your queries. Thanks and regards, Livestock Junction. So this is the message that is forwarded on the new lead that was generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. So that means you have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done. So I am an owner of an animal husbandry business, that is Livestock Junction, and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So I have created a page in my Facebook as in the name of Livestock Junction, and I am promoting all my lead ads with the help of this page. And I was getting a lot of new leads, and what I wanted is I wanted to send a WhatsApp message towards leads automatically. For that, I created an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for that, I have created a workflow in the name of Livestock Junction Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. and I have set up my trigger and action step. For the trigger step, I've taken my trigger application as Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect should capture the response. After setting up my trigger step, I've set up my action step. So for the action application, I've selected WhatsApp Cloud API. In place of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can also use Vati or Interact. After selecting our action application, I've selected my action event as Sent Message Template. That means every time a new response is captured in our trigger step right over here, automatically a WhatsApp message should be forwarded towards that lead. That means anytime a new customer generates a new lead, automatically to the customer, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded from the template that we have created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is how we create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video. So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.